Hi, my name is Sina Javankhoshdel, and I'm the product manager of Slide2 and Slide3 software. In this episode, I'm going to talk about different weak layer handling methods in Slide3 software. Recently, we developed a weak layer handling method called heuristic weak layer handling, which is based on particle swarm optimization. In 3D models, if you have several weak layers, to save the computation time, it's very important to see the advantage of this heuristic weak layer handling over other methods. In this episode, I'm going to show you an example of using different weak layer handling methods in a Slide3 software. Let's look at example to see how we handle weak layers in a Slide3. If we go to surfaces, slip surface options, for this example, we have the particle swarm method selected, and we have three different methods: heuristic, automatic case generation, and always snap to the highest. Always snap to the highest is the traditional method. So basically, the slip surface will be clipped wherever it touches the weak layer. In Slide3, we have an option called weak layer manager that you can suppress the weak layers if you want. The reason of having this option is a lot of times in 3D modeling, we have seen customer models that their weak layers are near vertical. That's a limitation of limit equilibrium method that cannot handle near vertical weak layers. So if after starting computing the model, you see that one of these options are selected, it means that your weak layers, they're near vertical and the software ignored them in the calculations. So in this example, I have two weak layers, weak layer 1 and weak layer 2. The top one has the property of a 0 cohesion, 28.3 friction angle. The bottom one, 0 cohesion and 13.2 friction angle. So I want to show you, if we snap to the highest option, the difference between the results to the case that we have heuristic one, which is the fastest method, and it's suitable for 3D because 3D analysis is slower than 2D. I require to have a method that can handle weak layers faster. So if we look at the results, this one is factor of safety is 1.554. If you look at the contour of the slip surface and look at the base cohesion, you can see that base cohesion is 0. If you look at the friction angle, it is 28.3, which is for the interface 1, for the first top weak layer. This one is a snap to the highest. Same model, I ran it with the heuristic weak layer handling. Factor of safety dropped to 0.96. And if we look at the contour of friction angle, you can see that friction angle is 13.2. So it actually touched the base weak layer instead of the top one. And as I mentioned, heuristic weak layer handling goes through all possible cases, all the weak layers, and it finds the lowest factor of safety. And it is the most accurate method of handling weak layers in Slide3. This concludes our episode about different weak layer handling methods in Slide3 software. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.